Just moments ago, New York's Attorney General Letitia James pleaded not guilty to federal bank fraud charges brought by President Trump's hand-picked prosecutor. Now, James was defiant as she walked out of the courthouse. Take a listen.
This justice system, which has been used as a tool of revenge and a weapon against those individuals who simply did their job and who stood up for the rule of law.
Prosecutors are claiming that James lied to a bank to get a better mortgage when she bought a house in Virginia 5 years ago. James is one of several Trump critics who have been indicted just weeks after President Trump publicly demanded that the Justice Department prosecute James and others he considers his enemies. NBC News legal affairs reporter Gary Grumbach is live outside the courthouse in Norfolk, Virginia. So, Gary, you were actually inside the courtroom there. Break down what happened today.
Yeah, when she walked out there was some unscripted defiance there, which I thought was very interesting. It was very similar inside the courtroom, where she held her head high, smiled as she walked into the courtroom. We do have a trial date now set for the charges against Letitia James on bank fraud and false statements to a institution. That's going to be January 26th of 2026. They expect it to be about a 5-day trial, last about a week. 8 to 10 government witnesses. We don't know who they are, and we don't know how many witnesses the defense plans to call. There were many motions that were discussed today, motions of trying to get this case tossed out before trial, especially as it relates to U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan. Vicki.
Gary, we also know James is trying to get this thrown out before trial even starts. So what is attorneys are trying to build?
So two different cases here. One, they're trying to say it's a selective and vindictive prosecution, and they expect to file that motion in the coming weeks, saying that she is targeted because of her title as New York State Attorney General, because of her bad experience and past dealings with Donald Trump. And two, they're trying to get the U.S. Attorney here in the Eastern District of Virginia, the one who brought this case, Lindsay Halligan. They believe that her appointment was unlawful, and so does FBI Director James Comey up in Alexandria, Virginia. So there's going to be one hearing on one day on that single issue that will be related to both cases. So if the judge in that decision says, you know what, she was unlawfully appointed, the future of both cases are in jeopardy. Vicki.
All right, Gary Grumbach live in Virginia for us. Gary, thank you.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.